Class 8th, good morning. Today we will start a fourth chapter of computer working with tables. In previous chapter we have seen how to create a database in MS Excel. Now how to create table in MS Excel and what is the use, what are the benefits and what are the procedure to create the table that we will study. What is table? Table can be defined as the database object used for storing information in an organized manner, comprised of row and column. What is table? It is defined as the database object. It is used for storing information in an organized manner. It consists of row and column. You know table. You have seen. You have drawn table in MS Excel also. You have drawn table in MS Word also. So they consist of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns are small rectangular boxes called cells. The intersection of rows and column, that is known as the boxes and that are known as cell. Rows are referred to as record and columns are known as the field. Now rows in a table is known as record and the column in a table is known as field. Every individual cell is a part of both a field and a record. Now cell is a part of both field as well as record. A field can be understood as a named unit of information which store only one type of information about all the records in a database. Field, column name. It can be understood as a named unit of information which store information about only one type about all the records in the database. Thus, the type of data contained in it is described by title at the top of the field. Whatever data is contained in a field, it is described by the heading at the top of the field. The field name which we define must clearly define the content it is. The field which we are defining, it must define the content with it. It is therefore necessary to create a structure for a table before entering data into it. So it is advisable to create the structure before defining the table. Now, what are the different data types? The field of a table are declared as a data type. What are data types? The fields of the table is declared as data type. A data type determines the type of data which we will accept as a particular field. What is data type? A data type determines the type of data which we are entering which will be accepted in a particular field. Once the data type has been defined, we cannot enter a different type of data in the field. Suppose we have defined the data type. If you do so, an error message will be displayed. You have to just input the value in the same format in which you have defined. Otherwise, it will display an error message. Following are the available data type. What are the different data types available are? First is text. It is used to store the text in the form of text, number, combination of letter and number which do not require any calculation. Number, they can store numeric information which can be used for calculation. Memo, it can store text and number up to 65,536 characters. Number, this can store in the format of date and time whenever we require. Yes, no, it is used in a place where a field can only have one possible value, true or false. Auto number, it generates a sequence number whenever a new record is added to the table. Hyperlink, this data type can store link to web page, website, intranet files or LAN up to 1 GB. OLE, this is used for embedding an object created in another application. They may be from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. We can also include other object from MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint up to 2 GB and that will be in the form of OLE. Lookup wizard, this helps us to create a field where values are chosen from the value in another table, query or list. Whenever we are just fetching the value from another table, we are using this lookup wizard. Attachment, we can attach any image, file, spreadsheet, file, document, chart in our database. Calculated, this is used when a user created a table which calculates values. We are creating a table which calculates value. The calculation may include value from the field in the same table or it may be from different table. Rich text, text or combination of text and number which may be formatted using color and font style. Now, next topic is view of table. We can work on the table using two views. One is design view and second is data sheet view. Design view, in this view we can input the field name their data types and description. We can input the field name, data types and description. The design views further divided into two parts. One is the field grid pattern pane and field property pane. First is field grid pattern pane. In this pane we can define the field name and their data types and their description. In this we can define the field name along with the data type and the description. Field property pane. This pane is used for setting the property of the field defined in the table. Second is data sheet view. This is used to enter data in a table. Data sheet view can be opened simply by double clicking on the table name in the navigation panel. We can just double click the table name from the navigation pane and it will be opened. Now, switching between views. We can also switch between one view to another view while working in Access. When we are working with Access, we can also switch from one view to another view. The following option can help us to do that. In the Home tab, go to View Group and view Open View option and select the desired view. What we have to do, we have to just go to the View Group, Open View options and select the desired one, or simply click on Design View or Data Sheet View on the right corner of the status bar. See, in this way it will be displaying on the this taskbar. So you can select anyway Design View or Data Sheet View.